Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Disha Khakkar and today is Tuesday and we are going to talk about how to stay determined. Well, before coming to the point, let me tell you that this was one of the requested video and the comment was everybody tells stay determined, stay positive, but no one tells us, no one guides us how to stay determined. So the answer of how to stay determined I have kept in this video, so don't forget to watch till the end because you're going to learn a lot of things today. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. Before coming to the point how to stay determined or how to stay positive, I want to ask you guys that why you are not able to stay determined, why you are not able to stay positive, or why you are not able to stay dedicated in your work. Why that happens? If you are not having the answer, then let me tell you, that happens only because you are not having faith on your decision. आप क्यों नहीं डिटरमाइंड है, आप क्यों डेडिकेटेड नहीं है अपने बात पे, आप क्यों अपने डिसीजन पे डेडिकेटेड नहीं है? बिकॉज आपको खुद पे विश्वास नहीं है. यू आर नॉट हैविंग ट्रस्ट ऑन योर सेल्फ. वाई? आपने जो भी डिसाइड किया, anything you have decided, it could be starting a YouTube channel or having a job, decided to go for an XYZ stream, anything. At certain point, कुछ भी decision आपने लिया हो, I don't know on what basis you have asked or on what basis you have thought about this, पर आपने जो भी decision लिया है, उसमें शायद for 1% you are having doubt on yourself. आपको लगता है कि आपने जो भी डिसाइड किया है वो गलत किया है. आपका कंसाइंस, आपकी जो अंदर की आवाज़ होती है ना, वो आपको मना कर रही है करने के लिए. एंड सो यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्टे डिटरमाइंड. आई विल ट्रांसलेट इट अगेन. योर कंसाइंस इज नॉट अलाउिंग यू टू डू वट एवर यू हैव थॉट ऑफ, and because of that you are not able to stay determined, you are not able to stay dedicated, you are not able to stay devoted to the work or the decision you have taken. Let me ask you one more question. Why you need to ask someone else about the opinion? Sometimes we do ask maybe our friend or maybe our colleague, maybe our brother or sister or husband or wife. We do ask our parents as well. We do ask them that have I taken this decision properly? Is the decision correct? Normally ask them. Sometimes out of respect if you're doing it, that is different thing. But when you are having doubt in yourself, that means at certain point you are having doubt in the decision you have taken. You are knowing that whatever decision you have thought of, जो भी सोचा है आपने, शायद वो चीज़ आपको फेलियर की तरफ ले जा सकता है. It may lead you towards the failure, and so you need someone else to tell जो भी किया है यार तूने सही किया है. You want someone else to tell that whatever you have done, whatever you have decided is correct. That's why you are not able to stay determined. Whatever decision you take, whatever thought you are having in your mind, stay devoted towards it, stay determined, have trust on yourself, keep faith on yourself. And if your conscience is telling you, if conscience is giving you the hints that whatever you are thinking about, whatever you have thought of is wrong, then don't do it. Because our conscience, our inner voice never ever tells lie. It always gives us the correct decision or it always gives us the correct path. So always follow your conscience. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग जो भी सोचते हैं वो नहीं होता. Sometimes it happens that whatever we have thought of, whatever we have planned, it may not go right or it may not give the same result which you were expecting. So what? Does that really matter to you? Does the results are the only thing which decides that if whatever you have thought of is correct or not? I would just say that whatever decision you are taking, whatever thoughts you are having in your mind, stay determined, have faith on yourself. And to stay determined, you need to have faith on yourself. You need to have trust on your decision. If you yourself is not having trust, then nobody can help you. No one can help you. So for that, I would say the only thing you should do is keep faith on yourself. And if you think that I have done something wrong, then accept it. The only thing you can do is accept it. That's fine. We are humans and we can make mistakes, right? And we do learn from our mistakes. And if someone is saying that I don't learn from my mistakes, then that person is lying. Absolutely, that person is lying. So this is what I had to tell today. This is what I had to explain, that guys, you can just stay determined by just keeping faith on yourself. This is what you have to do. Just keep faith on yourself, keep faith on your parents, keep faith on God. They all are with you. The only thing you have to do is keep faith. And I don't think you need anyone else when you have the blessings of your parents, the blessings of God, and your beloved with you. The only thing you need is family. That's it. This is what I had to tell today. I hope you liked my video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And now I'll be coming on Thursday with the lessons of English. So don't forget to watch my video on Thursday. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much.